In this video, you will learn about mitosis, so please follow, and subscribe my channel. What is mitosis? Mitosis is a type of cell division that produces to identical daughter cells.
Why is mitosis important? It is essential for growth, dot repair, and asexual reproduction.
Where does mitosis occur in the body? Mitosis occurs in somatic body cells. How many daughter cells are produced in mitosis to identical daughter cells? What is the chromosome number in daughter cells after mitosis? The same as the parent cell diploid to N.
What are the four main phases of mitosis? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
What happens in prophase? Chromosomes condense, spindle fibers form, and the nuclear envelope breaks down.
What happens in metaphase? Chromosomes align at the cell's equator.
What happens in anaphase? Sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles.
What happens in telophase? Chromosomes decondense, the nuclear envelope reforms, and the spindle fibers break down. What follows mitosis? Cytokinesis, which divides the cytoplasm.
How does mitosis differ from meiosis? Mitosis produces two identical cells, while meiosis produces four genetically different cells.
What role do centrioles play in mitosis? They help organize spindle fibers.
Where do spindle fibers attach to chromosomes? At the centromere.
Which phase of mitosis lasts the longest? Prophase.
Which phase of mitosis is the shortest? Anaphase.
What is the function of spindle fibers in mitosis? They help separate chromosomes.
Does DNA replication occur during mitosis? No, it occurs during interphase before mitosis. In which phase do sister chromatids separate? Anaphase.
How many chromosomes are in a human cell after mitosis? 46 chromosomes diploid.
What structure controls mitosis? The cell cycle and mitotic spindle. What structure controls mitosis? The cell cycle and mitotic spindle.
What is the mitotic spindle made of? Microtubules.
What regulates mitosis? Checkpoints in the cell cycle and regulatory proteins. What structures pull chromatids apart? Spindle fibers.
What phase comes before mitosis? Interphase.
What organelle helps with mitosis in animal cells, but is absent in plant cells? Centrioles.
What are the two main purposes of mitosis? Growth and repair.
What is the role of kinetochores in mitosis? They attach spindle fibers to chromosomes. Thanks for watching.
Share with friends.